Okay, hold on. Are you ready? Hold on, let me put this down. Are you ready? Yeah. Say yeah, yeah. Yeah, Hey y'all, I was upstairs and I heard the doorbell rang and look who came. Now this is all TT stuff. So make get one knife just to open it. Oh yeah, we know it's your stuff, baby. Just to open up and then where can I put this? Knock knock knock. Okay, hold on. Say hello.
And this is
Guess who has stuff inside this box?
this is TV. This is a mommy.
I know. You're so sweet.
And this
Anyways,
is
wait, baby.
Look in the pies.
Let me just put this over here. So let us just put this right here. All right. So we can't see. You can't see clearly. Yeah. So we can't see what's inside the box.
Okay, and this knock knock knock.
Knock knock knock. Who's there? Yeah. Who is there? So, TT have some, no TT. TT have some early birthday gifts. Right, TT? Are you ready? Are you ready? No, you have to move your hand though. Okay. So let's try to make sure it's safe. Okay, hold on. Are you ready? Hold on, let me put this down. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Say yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I know, that is the vibe. High five.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, we are so ready to see what's inside this
Okay.
box. So the first thing first is this thing.
This is a TV stuff.
Open up, baby.
Okay.
She's gonna open her stuff for you guys. Like, want me to help you? From right, yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. Ooh, oh my God, it's fell!
A shoe.
Look at these shoes, guys.
Look at blue guys. A flower.
This is so cute.
It's so cute.
Super, super duper cute. I love it. I couldn't leave this one.
A flower.
Okay, open the next one.
That one.
Yeah. So put this one right here.
What's that one?
You want me to help you? She got some nice shoes.
Oh my.
Ooh, another one.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
Show them.
Look at that. So cute.
Yes, and then we have more. We have more, baby.
You have more.
I mean, you can try this one.
Okay.
Box opening time with TT. Her birthday is just around the corner.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I love this one.
I want two. Wow.
Yay! These are super duper cute. These are some cute stuff. Another one, baby. Can I have these to put over here? Yeah. Take another one. Right here is just too bulky now. You just throw them right there. Open that one. Oh my. You got apple all over the place? Let me throw, okay, let me help you and throw this out. Right here. Right here, baby. Open. And show them what you got. Ta-da! Another one. I really do love these ones. They're so nice. You don't have to take out the stuffed tea. Oh my God, inside Feels really good. And then you have the last one right here. You have the last one, baby. Here.
Thank you.
That one is one of my favorite.
Sorry.
It's okay, baby. Oh, don't you love this one?
I want this one.
Y'all, look at this.
Look at this one.
Look at this. How cute is this little shoe? It has like a zipper on the side.
Brown.
Yeah. This is nice. And we're all done. So you're gonna throw that on the floor. And and I'm gonna show you guys these shoes. Oh, you wanna try them on? Okay, sit. Sit. These are all nice.
No, don't keep them.
Sit. Perfect. Oh my God. These are super. Listen. Oh, okay. Take it out. I have to show them how cute these look on your feet. Nice. It fits perfect. There's space, but at least she has like wearing them, and she'll be wearing like thick socks. So yeah, these are really nice. Let me show you guys. So this is how the shoes are looking on TT's feet. Nice. Don't watch my ashy hands. Oh my God. These are super nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
It's super.
Yeah, super duper nice, right?
Super duper nice.
Yes. Anyways, let me show you guys these ones close up. So first of all, you have these just plain black boots. Like, you can't go wrong with black, you know. Let me fix this. You can't go wrong with black. Then we have these gray, what do you call it, unicorn looking one. Nice. And then you have these black ones with these far on the side and these two puffs. And then you have these brown ones along with the ones TT have right there. So yeah, these are some really, you have to be careful, baby. These are some really cool boots for the fall/winter season. Let me just place them right here. Look at TT in her boots. You like them?
Stop.
Huh?
It's too heavy.
It's heavy? Really?
Yes.
You don't like them?
Only for one.
No? She said they're too heavy. Oh my God.
It's too hard.
Yeah?
Ew.
Get away. Listen, that girl, she likes to act. Look how crazy she's acting. As if the boot is... Man.
I want to try
Look.
it. Yeah, I want it.
Yeah? Yep. Go put the shoes over there.
Okay. Where's the old one?
Yeah. These are all TT's new shoes. We can get rid of the ones that are like outdated now, that are really bad. So yeah, she has quite a few. And I got these shoes from Fabkids. They were not expensive at all. Really good price. For like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes. Really really good price. So you can go check them out. They have kids clothes, shoes, whatever it is. Yeah, they have some really good stuff for kids. And the shoes are very good quality shoes. Like, they're really, really nice. So you guys can go check them out. Yeah. Are you loving your shoes? See, she loves her shoes. Look at that. No, wrong foot, babe.
Wrong foot?
Yeah, wrong foot. They're really nice, and the bottoms are very sturdy.
Wrong foot.
The bottoms are sturdy. So yeah, go check out Fabkids. You won't regret it.
Maybe.
Cause yeah, for 5 pairs of shoes, I got it on a really good deal. So yeah, you can go do that for your kids. Y'all, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. And make sure to go and check out Fabkids for all the good quality shoes for your kids. They have clothing, everything that you need for your kids. Go check them out and watch TT in the background changing all these shoes because we got it on a good price, so she can change them like every day, you know.
Look at me. Look at me.
Yes, look at TT, right? Yes, you look nice. Anyways, guys, see you guys in our next video tomorrow. Bye. Come say bye, baby.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yay. Mwah. Yay! See you guys tomorrow. Bye.